What's going on, guys? Music.ly here. I made a shorter video now. Ethernet wireless routers. Wow. Alright. Oops, I dropped my phone. And it's not damaged. That's good. Was these Alcatel things? They're flipping awesome. Like, they're gonna get a couple of scrapes, but nothing major. I don't even know why I'm doing this on my old phone, so. Alright. Here we go with the video. Oh, Jesus, it's so loud in here. I got a couple scratches on my screen. Here we are. I'm just gonna get the video. So, guys, basically, this is what a lot of people are asking me. Saying, Zachary, holy paparazzi meal. Oh my god. Ethernet. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. I'm panicking so bad, Zachary. What do I do? What do you mean? Ethernet. Ethernet. It's not gonna come out. No. Or not Ethernet. Ethernet. They're not gonna have any cables. I'm not saying, guys, that it's stupid that you guys are asking this in the comments, or yeah, whatever. But it's so stupid. I don't like this. I don't want to ever answer this question again, or I'm gonna spank you. No, I'm just kidding. But why on earth would you ask me? I'm just gonna spell this out on notes. Where's Google Keep at? Google Keep. I'll just spell it out right here. Well, let's look up. Oh, oops. Why? See, no results. Never asked me that question. Why are Ethernet cables so short? Oh my god! Let me go search this up real quick. What do you call it? 4 foot. 4 foot. Let's just say the shortest is 4 foot or whatever. You think a 200 Ethernet cable is too short? Or 100 foot, 50 foot, 25 foot? That's not short. All right. 400 foot Ether cable. 400. Okay. Ethernet cable. Oh my god, guys. Shopping. $200 foot, 1065. 30 foot. That's like Cat 6. 15 foot. All right, 400 foot. Just fudge. All right, guys. That's what you gotta do when you 100 foot, whatever you want to call it. That's not short, okay? All right. Oops. That's not short. I just don't understand why people think that the freaking thing is short. Like, why, guys? Why would you think a 25-foot Ethernet cable or 100-foot Ethernet cable is short? Now, this is what you got to do. If your house is like 200 feet wide, you're gonna have you're gonna have to skip. This is what we had to do. We had to skip every 100 feet. Our house was 300 feet long, and we had to have three routers. One back here, one in the middle of our house, and then one on the other side of the house. And right now, the house that we live in, we only have to have 2 routers, because even we have a PC back here, and we got a 100-foot Ethernet cable. And we skipped it. I think we had a 200-foot. Hey, let's see. Ethernet cable. All right, let's just see this real quick. Shopping. Boom. $200-foot. That's the shortest they sell it. Okay, 200-foot. You skip every 200 feet. Or you skip 100-foot, but you have to buy a 200-foot. Oh, how much was that? I didn't even know how much that was. Let me just... 300-foot. Let's just let me see this here real quick. You guys are so mean. You think $14, 50 feet. For 200 feet. Oh, white. It's gotta be white for our house. White. All right, there we go. Oh, not 300 feet. But why did that show up? No. We don't have very many. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh, that. Okay, you guys seriously think that 998, 650, 75? Yeah. I'm very sad. I'm very sad right now. High speed, 100-foot. Stuff like that. RJ45, whatever you want to do is fine. Just get a freaking Ethernet cable. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be like that. It's just gotta be an Ethernet cable. That's our color. Let's do. It goes around and around and around. The round and around. HDMI I know has. Do an extension cord have 200 foot? X tent X. I just don't even know. $200 ETH. Fudge you. Oh my gosh. Really? Extension cord, there you go. What? Just do images. Probably because it. Ooh, oh yeah. Let's just get those. Never mind. Alright, guys, though, that was a video about that. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow, because it's every day, bro. Peace.